Yo, what's going on? This is David, Stock Talk David. Welcome back to the channel. As always, remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow. As always, we just have one rule here. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. So, hey, just want to check in real quick. I didn't get a chance to drop a video over the weekend. So just want to check in on the market real quick on this Monday, and just an update on the 52-week challenge that we're doing with SCHD and VOO. So just want to give you guys a brief update on that, and we'll check in again on the Robinhood portfolio, the small account challenge that we're looking to build up. I think we had a good day today. We'll check it out in just a few minutes, but let's just jump right into market recap on how we did today. Let's give me 1 second. Actually, kind of a choppy day today. We'll look at the Dow. Today, the Dow was actually down 74 points. You see, over the last week, we've been down 1%. But year to date, we are up almost 1%. So keep in mind, we just had, let's look at the month actually. Over the last month, down 3%. So let's keep in mind that, we just closed out September. Today is the first trading day in October. August and September are historically low months in the stock market. So just keep that in mind when you look at some of these, monthly numbers or the last 5 days. But we're out of September and we're into October now, and the S&P, these not future numbers, are they? It might be future numbers. Make sure. You see where the S&P is at right now, though, 42. Year to date on the S&P, still up 12%. And the NASDAQ is still up year to date 28%. So coming down a little bit on the NASDAQ, but it's okay. It's okay. I think, like I said, we just closed out September. I'm looking for hopefully a much better month in October. And let's not forget, we closed out a quarter, right? September 30th, that was the end of the third quarter. So now what we're going to have, what we're coming into now is earnings season. So you're going to see these companies report on their earnings, on their third quarter earnings, and you're going to see, how those earnings reports affect their stock prices, at least short term, maybe long term, but definitely in the short term, especially some of those bigger companies. You have the Facebooks, the Teslas, the Apples. They seem to move pretty big after our earnings call. So keep that in mind as well. So, but look, we just closed out another week of our challenge, our SCHD VOO challenge, right? So we are on we just closed out week. I did a catch up, so we did weeks 38 and 39 last week. Where we did $38 in the VOO, then $39 in the VOO. So there's actually $77 in the VOO, $77 in the SCHD, to close out week 38 and 39. So now we're going into week 40, right? It's the 52-week challenge. We're on week 40 this week. So let's see where we at. Let's take a look at actually how much we've invested into this challenge. And man, this thing is it's spiked up pretty quick. So as you see here, SCHD VOO, you see the total invested now in this challenge this year is $1,560. $1,560. And so we just did weeks 38 and 39 when we did $38 in the VOO, $38 in the SCHD. Then we did week 39 in each. So we did man, it's adding up for sure. Definitely adding up. So now we on week 40. Week 40, and you see, we only have 12 more weeks to go. 12 more weeks to go in this challenge, and it's done. Man, it's helped me a lot as far as adding to these positions. I think I'm at I think a little over 26 shares now of SCHD. I'm at close to 10 shares of VOO. Hopefully get to 10 shares by the end of this year, which I should if we keep on with the challenge. And I mean that'll be pretty good for this challenge. And then next year we'll probably look to start a new challenge. But um, definitely happy about how we've been able to grow the SCA, the SCHD position and the VOO position. And you see, we started off with just week one, you know, $1 into each every, week one, and then it continued from there from $2, $3, whatever week we was in, we was investing that amount into each position. So I'm definitely looking to do this with another position next year. Probably just do one position. But yeah, I've definitely enjoyed this challenge. So yeah, that's pretty much an update. Total of $1,560 divided by two, and that'll be the total. That divided by two, and that's what you'll have in the each each position that we've invested so far. So challenge has been extremely helpful with growing these positions, and I for those who don't invest regularly or don't know how often you should invest, I think a challenge like this is extremely helpful. So, but yeah, so last thing I want to look at, man, is just a quick update on the Robinhood portfolio. As you know, this is a small portfolio that we're trying to grow. Started with, as far as taking it serious, a little over 2K, or well, probably less than 2K. We've had a good year so far. We've seen it go up, we've seen it go down, which we'll see in a minute. And now it's kind of steadying out as I kind of change my investment strategy, especially with the options. Right, we've been um, building our long-term positions, but also um, trying our hand at options trading as well. So let's take a look and see where we at right now. I think today we had a good day when I checked earlier. So let's see if we're still looking pretty good. As you see here, we're up 5% today. So you see, we're almost back at the 4K. So up $205 a day, 5%. Wow, we had a good day. We had a good day, I think, with the options that we have open. So I'm not really doing the day to day options or day trading. I'm trying to give myself some little time to let these options grow. Uh, this Amazon one is not too far out, so I'm keeping my eye on that one. But I think we've done pretty good on that. As you see, like I said, we're up 5% today. Year to date in this account, we're up 43%, up $1,100. So I'm not mad at that at all. Over the last year, we up 47%. So let's see if we can get back over that 4K, and let's try to hold that 4K and start pushing back towards 4,500 and 5K. One of the option positions, I think that's done pretty well is Amazon. Let's take a look at this Amazon and see where we at. And this is a 130 call that expires on 10/13. And as you see right here, man, what do you think I should do? Is it time to close this position out? We have a total return of $132 on this one option position. So that's up 103% on one position. So what do you guys think? You see today right here up 45%. Is it time to close this position out, take your profit, or leave it open? So that's a tough one there. I think and we just bought this, right? We just bought it on 9/28. So it's only been open maybe 2 days. that was that Thursday. Then you had Friday and Monday. So yeah, we only had with a little 2 day, a little over 2 days of trading on this particular contract, and you see how well it's done for us. So that's one of the leading um, reasons of why the portfolio is up today. So that's a big play for us. Let me see how this Google play has been doing. This 160 call for March. I don't think I'm closing that anytime soon. Let's just see how we're doing. One contract, you see we up $128, and that was because of a big day today, up $140 a day. So up total 54% on this option plan. And this doesn't expire to March. So I think I'm going to keep this one open for a while just to see how it's going to go. You see, we just bought this as well, 927. So you see the impact, these options can have on your portfolio. So just from the Google and Amazon play alone, you see why the position and why the portfolio is up like it is today. So I'll take that any day of the week. And you see some of our long-term plays here. ET, we're up to 49.57 shares. I think we had an automatic purchase that occurred on Friday. So we're closing in on those 50 shares. I want to get to 100 eventually. You see we have some VTI, QQM, Main, APLY. Those are my long-term plays here. A little bit of crypto. And you see the reoccurring investments that we have. So next up on the plate, QQM, small investment, $5. We got VTI coming up. We got Main coming up. Got APLY. ET coming back around again on the 13th. And then you see some of the crypto reoccurring investments that we have. So, yeah, that's how we plan it. We got $10 buying power here. May stack up a little buying power. I think I got some automatic cash coming in, just slow moving cash. And I sold one of my contracts today. I think I sold the ET contract, so I should see that in my buying power within the next couple of days. I think it's like $40, $50. So that'll help go towards another play. So, but yeah, that's just a quick update on how we're looking in our Robinhood portfolio. We had a good day today, 5%, almost back at the 4K mark. So I'm anxious to see how we can keep building this thing up over the next couple of days. I think we are trending in the right direction with this account. I think we can get it back where we need it to be. So, but yeah, that's it. It's a Monday night. Got a long week ahead of us as far as the market is concerned. We have earnings right around the corner. So let's just see. October is typically a bounce back month from your bad August and September. So we'll see how that plays out over the next couple of days, weeks, months, and especially in this fourth quarter. So that's all. Remember, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you want to make a donation to the channel, information is scrolling across the screen. Any collabs, emails, scrolling across right now. Hit me up. Let's talk. Let's work. Let's get better at what we do. So, but yeah, that's all for today, guys. I will talk to you later.